My dad kept his no questions asked, just call me for help promise. My dad is a good dude. He's not perfect. He'll get pissed over smaller things sometimes that I think aren't worth the trouble. He gets a bit too drunk with his coworkers occasionally and gets banished from my parents' bedroom. All in all though, good dad. One thing that I've been told again and again since I was in elementary school is that if I'm ever in real trouble, he will always be there to help. I've never had to take him up on his promise until I was invited to a party a few weeks ago. I told my parents I was sleeping over at a friend's place. There were some older guys at the party and hard liquor. My friends and I will sneak the occasional beer, but it was our first time trying things like vodka and whiskey. We got really drunk, and the high schoolers were being creepy. My friends really didn't want to call their parents. Kinda understandable because we were wasted at a party with boys we didn't know that well. I ended up calling my dad at like 3 a.m. He just asked for the address and immediately drove over. He dropped off my 2 friends, and then we drove home. Honestly, I thought I was in for the shout session of a lifetime. Low-key, I knew I deserved it. All he did, though, was hold my hand and tell me that the world can be a dangerous place and to please make safe, smart decisions. The next morning, he acted as if nothing had happened. Apparently, my dad just told my mom that I was feeling a bit sick and came home during the night, which was true because my hangover was hard.